Hi everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I have a quick tip video for you using the Molotow Empty Pump Softliner. And did you know you can fill this up with some of your favorite mediums? I'm going to show you how to do that. First, let's take a quick look at this pen. This is a 1mm brush style. It has an empty barrel, and also in the barrel is a ball, and that will shake up any of the fluids that you fill it with. I'll open the cap so you can see the brush style. It's really nice and fine tip. You can use this for handwriting or for also coloring in your images. To fill this, you'll start by unscrewing the cap and removing the nib and the other pieces. So you have the cap, and also the nib comes with a plastic casing. The next piece has a very small hole at the top, and this is just too small to try to fill. But if you take your thumbnail or an X-Acto blade and lift up with that cap, you can remove this really easily, and this has the spring-loaded action inside, which helps pump that fluid into the pen. Now I have an open casing that I can fill up, and I also have the little ball that will be replaced and will help shake up my fluid. I'll be filling this pen with the Distress Spray Stain, and this is brushed pewter. You'll want to shake this up before you start adding it to the empty barrel. An easy way to fill this is to use a clean pipette and just draw up some of that ink into the pipette and dispense it right back into that empty barrel. You can fill this up as much as you would like. If you think you'll be using a lot, go ahead and fill it to the top. There are measurement marks on the side so you can tell how much ink you have in the barrel. And once you have your barrel filled, you can start replacing the parts as you took them out. So I will replace the spring action piece, and I'll push that down with my thumbnails. Next, I'll add the nib, and this will sit right into the channel. And I'll push up and down, and you can tell that it has that spring action. So that means it will activate the ink once I put everything together. And then I will gently replace the cap and screw that on tight. To get the ink flowing, you'll use the outer cap and place that nib into the end and pump that until you see the flow of ink starting to saturate the felt nib. After several pumps, you'll start to see the color come down into that nib casing, and continue to pump that until it's come to the very end of the felt. And now your pen is ready to use, filled with your favorite fluid for handwriting or coloring in your images. I hope I've given you some helpful information on how to fill up your pump softliner pen from Molotow. And as always, thanks so much for watching.